Hello everyone, welcome to our grammar class. In this class, we're going to see prepositions. First of all, see the definition for preposition. A preposition is a word typically placed before a noun or a pronoun. We know that prepositions are used to point out or clearly tell where the noun is. And also it helps to show how the person or thing denoted by the noun is related to something else in the sentence. And see the example. Always maintain the queue instead of crowding at the counter. Here instead of is the preposition, right? So instead mean in the place of something or someone. Okay. Instead mean in the place of something or someone. Next, see the kinds of prepositions. First type, simple prepositions. Second one, compound prepositions. And the last one, participial prepositions. Next, see the simple prepositions. Simple prepositions are one-word prepositions, such as at, by, for, in, of, from, on, out, through, till, etc. Okay, there are lot of simple prepositions, which mean lot of one-word prepositions. So the example for simple prepositions. She goes through the newspaper before leaving for work. She goes through the newspaper before leaving for work. Here I highlighted the two prepositions. And what are they? Yes, through, before. And second one, I bought this shawl for my mother from Kashmiri stall at the fair. Here three prepositions are found. And what are they? For, from, at. Second type, compound prepositions. See, you know well what is meant by compound, right? Compound means two or more words combined together to form a single word. That is what called compound. See the definition for compound prepositions. These are some words. I already told you. These are some words which are always used with fixed prepositions to convey specific meanings. See the example. I was unable to meet you due to previous engagement. Here, due. Due is the preposition, right? What's it meaning? Due mean a reason, okay? So, on account of. The compound preposition, equivalent compound preposition for due is on account of. Second one, always mention the queue instead of crowding at the counter. We already discussed about this example, right? Once again, we have the example instead of. Here, instead of is the compound preposition. What is the meaning for instead of? In the place of someone or something. Okay, that is what the meaning for instead of. And second, see some more compound prepositions. Verb plus preposition. Now we are going to see some compound preposition, and the structure is verb plus preposition. Here the first one, apologize for. Okay, apologize for. He will apologize for his mistake. Second one, apologize to. He will apologize to you. If someone said mean, we have to use for. If we are going to say mean, to. Hope for. Okay. We hope for good scores in the examination. Hope to. We hope to get good scores in the examination. Decided on or upon. Here, have you decided on the language you want to learn? And sixth one, decided to. Have you decided to learn a new language? Have you know the difference between decided on and decided to? Yes. Next, noun plus preposition. Next one, noun plus preposition. Cause of. Here, cause is a noun and of is a preposition. What is the cause of global warming? Cause means reason. Increase in, we know the meaning for increase, right? An increase in pollution can cause various health problems. Advertisement for, okay? I saw an advertisement for volunteer work. Course earn. She wants to do a course in computer language. Course of. The course of history cannot be changed. Next, adjective plus preposition. Grateful for. Here, grateful means thankful. Okay, grateful means thankful. She is grateful for her neighbor's help. Grateful to. She is grateful to her neighbor. Polite to. You should be polite to everyone. Pleased to. I am pleased to meet you. Pleased with. She is pleased with her new motorcycle. Okay, next structure. Preposition plus preposition. In case of, please use the stairway and not the elevator in case of fire. Here, in and off are the two prepositions. Okay. In case of mean if there is any possible chance. Okay. If there is any another possible chance, we have to use in case of as a preposition to show the chance. Okay. Second one, with regard to. I am writing to you with regard to the query about the cost. In view of. Security has been tightened in view of the recent theft. In the view of. This is also one kind of reason. An account of. The match was cancelled on account of rain. Here an account of mean yes, reason. Okay, ma? See the functions of prepositions. Okay. First one, type. Second, indicate. And third, examples. First, prepositions of time. Here, it indicates time. Example, I will get this done by 2 a.m. I will get this done by 2 a.m. Here, by is the preposition. And here, by indicate the time. Okay. And second one, prepositions of place. Prepositions of place. Here, preposition of place going to indicate the position of a noun. For example, I was at home. Where the subject is. Okay. The subject is at the home. So, here at is a preposition and at is used to indicate the position. Okay. And prepositions of movement. Movement means indicates the origin, destination, motion and direction. For example, the cat jumped out of the box. The cat jumped out of the box. Here, out is a preposition. Second example, see, I went to the market. Here, to. To is a preposition and where the subject destination. What is the subject destination? Yes, market. Okay. Then preposition of manner. Means and manner. Indicates means and manner. Okay. See the example. I am traveling by train. Here by means. Okay. I cleared the exam with easy. I cleared the exam with is. Okay. Not easy. Sorry. And see the next one. Prepositions of purpose. Purpose. Okay. Reason and purpose. Examples. I use trains for traveling around the country. Here for. For is the preposition. Okay students. I hope you all understand the types of prepositions and functions of preposition and different kinds of preposition, right? The next class we will discuss about the exercise on prepositions. Okay, thank you.